Welcome. Let's look at our quiz or our assignment for today and see what's up. See if I can help you. So, today's assignment is going to have like a lot of the same information. So, the details are going to be in the questions themselves. All right. So, one of the things you might want to do is really read those questions carefully to make sure that you're answering the right question. All right. Because as you can see, it even says these questions may look similar, but read carefully for subtle differences in the details. Make sure you're answering the right question being asked. All right. So, the first question, Austin has a population of 1,011,790 people. San Antonio has a population of 2,368,124 people. Which is the best estimate for how many more people live in San Antonio? All right, so what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to estimate. So let's look at our two numbers. That's our Austin number. This is our San Antonio population number. All right, and we want to think about how much are these valued at. All right, so for these, we're trying to round them out. So let's look at this one. So we have 1,011,790. So our question is, if there was a number line and it had 1 million over here and 2 million over here, where would 1 million with a zero in the hundred thousands place be on this number line? So since it's got a zero in the hundred thousands place, it's going to be closer to 1 million. In fact, it's not even like 1,100,000. So remember, each 100,000 would be like, if it was 100,000, it'd be like 1, 200,000, 300,000, 400,000, 500,000 is halfway, 600,000, 700,000, 800,000, 900,000, and then 2 million, right? So if we're going to put this on the number line somewhere, it's probably going to be somewhere around here. So, question, is this number closer to 1 million on the number line or 2 million? All right, same thing with 2,368,124. This time, our number line is somewhere between 2 million and 3 million. So, let's think. There's a 3 right there. So, 2,500,000 would be in the middle. Between 2 million and 3 million, halfway. 2,500,000. So if this was a 5 in the 100,000 place, that'd be right there in the middle. So since it's smaller than 5, it's probably going to be somewhere around there. So is it closer to 2 million or 3 million? All right, and then it's asking, which is the best estimate for how many more people live in San Antonio? So we're going to find out the estimated difference between San Antonio and Austin. So remember, estimate before you calculate. So I think we decided that this needs to be 1 million. I think we decided this is closer to 2 million. So our problem, our estimation problem would be 1 million being taken away from 2 million. So the population of San Antonio is 2 million. The population of Austin, 1 million when we're estimating. It's about, right? So about that much, all right? So, so in question 2, you're using the same exact numbers, except saying about how many people live in both cities combined. So we're going to estimate. It's the same numbers. So can we use the same estimated numbers? Can we still use 1 million and 2 million? I think we can, but this time we're trying to figure out about how many combined. All right. So that's the first half. The first two questions have to do with estimation of some pretty large numbers. And come back for the next video. And question 3 and 4, we are actually going to look at doing the exact math. It looks like our answers over here have exact answers. You can tell because when we had estimated answers, there was a lot of zeros, right? However, when we have exact answers, we're going to have exact answers. So come back and we'll take a look at that. All right, I'll see you in a bit.